How to set different notification sound for each separate app and for each notification tab in Samsung Galaxy S25. It's pretty easy. First, you need to go to settings from your home screen or either from your control panel. Then scroll down to notifications and go to advanced settings. Now scroll all the way down and activate this feature, manage notification categories for each app. Now go to the apps section. Over here, apps, and select any app. For example, let's search for phone application. Go to notifications. Make sure that notifications are allowed and the sound and vibration is on. Now scroll all the way down until you see notification categories, and now you can set different sounds for different notification types. For example, for missed calls. Let's go to sound and set from silent to this sound, for example. And that's it, and do this for each application you wish to change sounds in. And that's pretty it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.